Hydraulics and Pneumatics Test number 2. Question 1. In which systems, spool of the servo valve is operated by a torque motor? A. Hydromechanical servo systems. B. Electrohydraulic servo systems. C. Conventional servo valve. D. All of the above.
Answer: electrohydraulic servo systems.
Question 2. What does servo mean in servo valve system? A. It cannot receive a feedback but the desired output can be obtained. B. It cannot receive a feedback and the desired output cannot be obtained. C. It can receive a feedback and the desired output can be obtained. D. None of the above.
Answer: it can receive a feedback and the desired output can be obtained.
Question 3. In conventional valves, which component is used to move the spool? A. Torque motor. B. Mechanical servo valve. C. Solenoid. D. All of the above.
Answer: solenoid.
Question 4. What is the advantage of DC solenoid coils? A. DC solenoid coils have high rush-in current. B. DC solenoid coils have constant level of current. C. DC solenoid coils have rating of 220 VDC. D. All of the above.
Answer: DC solenoid coils have constant level of current.
Question 5. Which of the following statements is true for a proportional valve? A. Spool of the proportional valve can travel maximum length. B. Digital type of functioning is possible in proportional valve. C. Proportional valve requires a separate flow control valve. D. All of the above.
Answer: spool of the proportional valve can travel maximum length.
Question 6. Which of the following statements are false? A. Air is non-compressible. B. Less power is developed in fluid power systems than conventional systems. C. Mechanical linkages used for load handling purposes have high efficiency. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 7. How is tilting action possible in trucks for unloading the gravel material using hydraulic power? 1. Tilting action is possible if oil flows at high pressure into the cylinder. 2. Tilting action is possible if air flows at low pressure into the cylinder. 3. The truck body tilts when piston rod in the actuator is pushed out. 4. Tilting action is possible if air is compressed at high pressure. A. 1 and 3. B. 2 and 4. C. 3 and 4. D. None of the above.
Answer: 1 and 3.
Question 8. The hydraulic system is A. Less precise than pneumatic system. B. More precise than pneumatic system. C. Both hydraulic and pneumatic systems are same on basis of precision. D. None of the above.
Answer: more precise than pneumatic system.
Question 9. Which energy is used to transmit power in hydrostatic system? A. Pressure energy. B. Kinetic energy. C. Potential energy. D. All of the above.
Answer: pressure energy.
Question 10. Which system uses kinetic energy to transmit power? A. Hydrostatic system. B. Hydrodynamic system. C. Pneumatic system. D. None of the above.
Answer: hydrodynamic system.
Question 11. If no load is attached to piston rod, the movement of piston assembly is possible when A. Oil overcomes its self-weight. B. Oil overcomes friction in the piston rod assembly. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: both A and B.
Question 12. If capacity of pump is more, it pumps less oil per unit time. A. True. B. False.
Answer: false.
Question 13. Which factor helps in obtaining high speed of the piston rod in the hydraulic system? A. Decreased friction. B. Pump capacity. C. Increased flow rate. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 14. During any operation in hydraulic system, oil prefers the path of A. Least resistance. B. Maximum resistance. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: least resistance.
Question 15. In a hydraulic circuit, a pump is provided with two outlet paths, one where load is attached and other to the reservoir. Which path will the oil choose to flow first? A. Oil will flow to the path where load is attached. B. Oil will flow back to the reservoir first. C. Oil will flow through both the paths simultaneously. D. None of the above.
Answer: oil will flow back to the reservoir first.
Question 16. Which of the following is used as an accessory in hydraulic power unit? A. Pumps. B. Valves. C. Motor. D. Reservoir.
Answer: reservoir.
Question 17. Which type of pump is used for lifting water from the ground surface to the top of the building? A. Centrifugal pump. B. Turbine pump. C. Submersible pump. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 18. Pumps used in hydraulic applications are A. Positive displacement pumps. B. Variable displacement pumps. C. Fixed displacement pumps. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 19. What is a positive displacement pump? A. Oil from suction side of the pump flows completely to the delivery side. B. Volume of fluid discharged cannot return back to the suction side of the pump. C. Discharges fixed volume of fluid every cycle. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 20. While operating a positive displacement pump. A. The shutoff valve should be closed on delivery side. B. The shutoff valve should be closed on suction side. C. The shutoff valve should be opened on delivery side. D. None of the above.
Answer: the shutoff valve should be opened on delivery side.
Question 21. What effect does working pressure have on input power for radial piston pumps? A. As working pressure increases, input power decreases. B. As working pressure increases, input power increases. C. Pressure remains constant for different input powers. D. None of the above.
Answer: as working pressure increases, input power increases.
Question 22. Radial piston pumps can have A. Cylinder block rotating and cam stationary. B. Cylinder block stationary and cam rotating. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: both A and B.
Question 23. Why are hydraulic cylinders cushioned? A. Cushioning decelerates the piston of a cylinder. B. Stress and vibrations can be reduced. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: both A and B.
Question 24. Which of the following statements is true? A. Tie rod cylinders are used in applications having working pressure of 70 bar. B. Welded type cylinders are used in systems having working pressure more than 70 bar. C. Tie rod cylinders can be used in systems having working pressure more than 70 bar. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 25. Which of these actions does a hydraulic cylinder perform? A. Pushing. B. Lifting. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: both A and B.
Question 26. Leakage in welded type of hydraulic cylinder is prevented by A. Wiper and gland cover. B. Rod seal in and cover. C. Rod seal and gland cover. D. None of the above.
Answer: rod seal and gland cover.
Question 27. In single-acting hydraulic cylinders, the piston comes back to its original position due to A. Spring force. B. Self-weight. C. Momentum of a flywheel. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 28. Check valve is a type of A. Pressure reducing valve. B. Pressure relief valve. C. Directional control valve. D. None of the above.
Answer: directional control valve.
Question 29. A pressure relief valve can be A. Direct operated. B. Pilot operated. C. Solenoid operated. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 30. Which of the following statements are true for throttle valve? 1. Reverse flow of fluid is not possible. 2. Input pressure for a throttle valve is more than output pressure. 3. The actuator speed can be reduced by a throttle valve. 4. Correct flow control valve for a particular application can be selected on the basis of pressure drop specified. A. 1, 2 and 3. B. 1, 3 and 4. C. 2, 3 and 4. D. All of the above.
Answer: 2, 3 and 4.
Question 31. How is reverse flow possible in pilot-operated check valve? A. Spring force lifts the ball due to which reverse flow is possible. B. Fluid pressure lifts the ball due to which reverse flow is possible. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: fluid pressure lifts the ball due to which reverse flow is possible.
Question 32. What is the difference between pressure relief valve and pressure reducing valve? A. Pressure reducing valve is connected between pump and tank line while pressure relief valve is connected between DCV and branch circuit. B. Pressure relief valve is always normally opened. C. Pressure reducing valve is connected between DCV and branch circuit while pressure relief valve is connected between pump and tank. D. None of the above.
Answer: pressure reducing valve is connected between DCV and branch circuit while pressure relief valve is connected between pump and tank.
Question 33. Accumulator used in gas-charged accumulator is A. Hydraulic. B. Pneumatic. C. Hydropneumatic. D. None of the above.
Answer: hydropneumatic.
Question 34. What is the function of pressure switch? A. Pressure switch is used to start a motor. B. Pressure switch is used to stop a motor. C. Pressure switch is used to de-energize a solenoid. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 35. Intensifier used in pneumatic systems has output pressure. A. Less than input pressure. B. More than input pressure. C. Same as input pressure. D. None of the above.
Answer: more than input pressure.
Question 36. What is the function of unloading relief valve and can it be used as an accessory for accumulators? A. Unloading relief valve is used to charge the accumulator by a pump when accumulator pressure falls below the set value and it can be used as an accessory. B. Unloading relief valve is used to charge the accumulator by a pump when accumulator pressure falls below the set value but is not used as an accessory. C. Unloading relief valve is used to charge the accumulator by a pump when accumulator pressure rises above the set value but is not used as an accessory. D. Unloading relief valve is used to charge the accumulator by a pump when accumulator pressure rises above the set value and is used as an accessory.
Answer: unloading relief valve is used to charge the accumulator by a pump when accumulator pressure falls below the set value and it can be used as an accessory.
Question 37. Cylinder has a bore area of 300 cm2 and velocity of 180 cm per minute. Calculate the flow rate of a pump. A. 55 liters per minute. B. 50 liters per minute. C. 54 liters per minute. D. None of the above.
Answer: 54 liters per minute.
Question 38. Which of the following statements is true, for two pumps used in circuit when initially fast operation is performed to reach a job and feeding operation is done at a slow speed? A. Initially to reach a job, a tool must be connected to a pump of high discharge and low pressure. B. Initially to reach a job, a tool must be connected to a pump of low discharge and high pressure. C. For feeding operation, low discharge low pressure pump is required. D. None of the above.
Answer: initially to reach a job, a tool must be connected to a pump of high discharge and low pressure.
Question 39. What are different operations performed by PLCs? A. Boolean logic. B. Timing. C. Arithmetic. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 40. Which of the following pumps saves more power? A. Single pump. B. Double pump. C. Single and double pump use same amount of power. D. None of the above.
Answer: double pump.
Question 41. What is the advantage of PLC? A. Easy to find errors. B. Replacements can be easily made. C. PLCs are easily programmed. D. All of the above.
Answer: PLCs are easily programmed.
Question 42. What is difference between regulator and pressure switch? A. Regulator operates at set value pressure while pressure switch operates with slight fluctuation in pressure. B. Pressure switch operates at set value pressure while regulator operates with slight fluctuation in pressure.
Answer: regulator operates at set value pressure while pressure switch operates with slight fluctuation in pressure.
Question 43. Mass of water vapor in unit volume of air is known as A. Relative humidity. B. Absolute humidity. C. Saturation quantity. D. None of the above.
Answer: absolute humidity.
Question 44. Which valve is also known as memory valve? A. Single pilot signal valve. B. Double pilot signal valve. C. Roller lever valve. D. Logic valve.
Answer: double pilot signal valve.
Question 45. What is the difference between signal air and control air? A. Signal air actuates final control valve and control air flows to the cylinder through the final control valve for forward and backward movement of piston rod. B. Control air actuates final control valve and signal air flows to the cylinder through the final control valve for forward and backward movement of piston rod. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: signal air actuates final control valve and control air flows to the cylinder through the final control valve for forward and backward movement of piston rod.
Question 46. Which of the following is used to sense the initial and final positions of a piston rod? A. Lever-operated direction control valve. B. Limit switch. C. Roller lever valve. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 47. Which valve gets activated only in one direction, that is forward or backward movement of the piston rod? A. Roller lever valve. B. Idle roller lever valve. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: idle roller lever valve.
Question 48. Which numbers are used to denote retraction of a piston rod? A. Even numbers. B. Odd numbers. C. Both even and odd numbers. D. None of the above.
Answer: odd numbers.
Question 49. Which of the following is an element of time delay valve? A. Flow control valve. B. Direction control valve. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: both A and B.
Question 50. Which of the following is a type of cushioning in hydraulic cylinders? A. Trunnion cushioning. B. Adjustable cushioning. C. Clevis cushioning. D. None of the above.
Answer: adjustable cushioning.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.